guys, I'm Rachel. Welcome to my backyard. We set up our hunting tent and we're camping this week for Sukkot, which always starts with a full moon. And when you can get away from the city lights, the moon is amazingly bright in the night sky, and I took some really cool pictures. I'll show those to you really fast. So those are the inspiration for this Deep Woods Night soap that we are making today. And I'm curious in the comments below, where do you like to get away from the city lights so you can see the night sky? On my bucket list is Chile because they have the world's largest observatory. If you don't have the money or space for a telescope, give binoculars a try. You can actually see quite a bit in the night sky just with binoculars. I've even been able to see Pleiades with them. So yeah, pretty fun. I hope you can give that a try and let me know how it goes. In the meantime, let's head down to my tiny basement soap shop and get started. This is going to be an all-natural soap, basically just a mix and pour, nothing crazy. I'm going to use some charcoal to make it look dark like the night sky, and then I blended up some quick and regular oats to put in it as well, not only for exfoliation, but also because those little flecks will help make it look like little stars, so that'll be nice and fun. And I'm using an essential oil blend that reminded me of camping since this is outdoors. So it's citronella, basil, lemongrass, and then a majority of it is lemon and lime. So all essential oils. However, those lighter citrus essential oils tend to lose their scent over time after sitting for a while and due to the saponification process. So I'm guessing that it'll mostly smell like lemongrass and citronella by the end. As I smelled it in the jar, that's kind of, even though there wasn't very much, that's kind of what was sticking out to me because those are more middle and base notes. So a little bit stronger and lingering. I made this moon insert a few days ago, so this is ready to put in to make it look like a full moon. And then one little technique I'm trying is just pouring off a little bit of the soap before I add the charcoal, and I'll do an in-the-pot swirl with some of the charcoal to make it somewhat look like some clouds floating through the sky. I think everything's about at the right temperature now, so let's make this Deep Woods Night soap.
times when we lost, but now we belong. All that remains, the line we crossed, the line we crossed, the line we crossed. The stars, reach for the stars, stars, the stars, reach for the stars, stars, and the stars, reach for the stars, and the stars.
These turned out so cool. I am loving the oats that make it look like stars and this wispy cloud layer through the middle, or it could even be like the Milky Way. Thank you again for subscribing and liking to help support my channel so we can grow. I hope to see you in the next one very soon.